Hello, I'm Evan with WooNinjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to create a car rental website in WordPress with WooCommerce Bookings. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly understand why WooCommerce Bookings is useful for car rental websites. It allows you to offer flexible booking durations, manage pickup and drop-off details, control availability with blackout dates, set pricing and rental rules, allow customers to cancel or reschedule bookings. Now let's move on to creating the rental product. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce Products, add new, enter the product title, for example, car rental service, or a specific car name like Toyota Corolla Rental. Scroll down to the booking options section, go to booking option settings. Here, set the booking type to rental. Now enter the required booking details. Fill in the following fields: booking title or service name. This field is optional. Start date, end date, booking duration, pickup time, drop-off time, pickup location, and drop-off location. Next, configure booking limits, minimum stay duration, leave empty if not required, maximum stay duration, leave empty if not required. Now define the adult count and child count. You have additional options where you can also configure the assigned resource or staff. This is optional. Click Add Resource. You can name it Tour Guide. Then set additional cost if required. You can also create baby seats. Insurance options. These resources allow customers to customize their bookings. Auto-cancel pending or failed orders after 24 hours. If needed, you can enable and show the time zone on booking times. This allows customers to see booking times based on your website's time zone. Blackout dates. To restrict bookings on specific dates, use the blackout dates option. You can select dates manually or import multiple dates using a CSV file, recurring blackout rules. You can also create repeating restrictions such as every week on a specific day, every month on a specific date, every year on a specific date. Availability calendar. This section shows the front-end calendar that customers will see when booking. Now go to the pricing tab. Here you can set regular price, in dollars, and the sale price, which is optional. To allow booking cancellations, enable. Allow customers to cancel their bookings. Cancellation deadline. Set how long before the booking start date customers can cancel. For example, if the booking is on January 17th and the deadline is 1 day, cancellation is allowed until January 15th. Cancellation policy. Add a cancellation policy message. This message will be sent in WooCommerce emails in the cancellation pop-up if enabled. Enable policy display. You can enable the option to show this policy inside the cancellation modal. To allow customers to reschedule, enable. Allow customers to reschedule their bookings. Allowed order statuses. Select which order statuses will allow rescheduling. Reschedule. Deadline. Set how long before the booking start date rescheduling is allowed. After this time, the reschedule option will no longer be visible. You can also use the product image in the meta box. This is optional. Once everything is configured, click the Publish or Update button, and then your rental product is now live. Now let's quickly go through the customer journey. In the product page, customers can select dates and view availability. In the cart page, they can review their booking details before proceeding. In the checkout page, customers enter billing details and complete the booking. After placing the order, customers see the order received page and booking details appear in their dashboard. In the My Bookings tab, customers can view booking details, cancel bookings if enabled, and reschedule bookings if allowed. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.